Hi guys, I'm back and we're doing an we're making an ASMR. So we're gonna scoot up back a little bit, but we're gonna keep it like this so y'all can always see the slime.
Y'all can see half of our slimes.
Yeah. Okay, mine's like way over. There we go. Oh, it sounds so satisfying.
Okay.
Like we're just like rubbing it in. Oh my gosh, look at my hand.
I know.
Mine's starting. Like it's so fun to play with slime. We made some fluffy slime.
Okay, the back. We'll show y'all that later.
Okay, we'll make slime once we get done with this. We'll make slime for y'all.
We're mixing this in for now, right?
Yeah, well, once we get done with this video, we'll make a slime video. Make sure to subscribe.
And hit the notification bell.
Yeah. Leave a comment down below if y'all ever made slime before. She's new on this channel, so. Do you have a YouTube channel?
No.
No. Oh, yours is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna add some silver to mine. First, I have to
This next one, I'm gonna make another jiggly slime.
make it like with a lot of glitter.
Why?
It looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm like adding a lot of glitter.
Okay, I'm finished with mine.
I'm not yet. I'm like, whoa. You want to fill it?
About this. They have different consistencies.
Yeah, hers.
Look how much glitter we have used. You can't really see this one, but we used like that much of it.
Oh! Done it. Glitter everywhere. So listen to this.
Listen to this. No, that's your slime. This is my slime.
Let's show them the other slimes we already made. Like the other new slime. Let's put this in the back.
Can you help me put this one in the back? I don't even think this is gonna fit inside of the bag.
Oh, don't worry, it will. Mine's bigger than yours and it fit in this large bag. Easy, just rip it apart. Like,
I'm just gonna do this.
sorry, we have problems in ours and bags, you know, for
They're so freaking fast. Your mom got it in there.
Mom, do you want your face to be shown on YouTube?
Well, too late. It already is.
No, it's not. Well, one video of mine, yes. Sorry, but you were kind of in my way. So there's, okay, so this is my other, we both made fluffy slime. Let's get it out.
No.
Like this one, oh my gosh, mine's sticky, oh no. And I have to activate it.
I'm not going to have to activate that.
Maybe, I don't know.
Mimi's perfect. It smells like shaving cream in here.
It smells like, yeah. It smells good. It's like not a bad smell.
My lips look purple.
This is our,
Are my lips purple?
no.
Mine literally look purple.
Mine do too, kind of. This is what kind of shaving cream I use. Oh my god.
I know what I'm going to do to mine.
What?
I'm going to add more shaving cream. And then I'll do that.
Yeah, I might add more shaving cream to mine too. It's like so nice. I'm gonna set my pencil.
Still stretchy. It was clear slime. It's a milky slime.
Maybe.
Okay. Can I see the shaving cream?
So I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of activator. Activator, like, oh my gosh, you set it right in front of your face like that. She's new, so she's actually never really done this. Oh, now it's on me. Okay, I'm adding more shaving cream to mine once mine gets all spread out. My bad, that was me.
What?
Slime on the sink.
Is that here?
No.
Then what are you looking at?
Well,
Did you get them off?
yeah.
Oh shoot, mine's gonna be like so slimy. Did yours get slimy?
I haven't mixed it all the way in, but we'll see.
Like, was it slimy at first? Okay, now mine's stopping.
Oh.
We're just like kind of fixing our slimes right now. Oh, now mine's not as sticky. Yay. Oh my gosh. Mom, I'll be right back. Just keep on going.
I'm gonna make her touch mine now. It won't even stick to you. Here, I'm gonna.
It's so nice. Like, we just added shaving cream.
It's all fluffy.
Yeah, that's why it's called fluffy slime. Remember the turquoise fluffy slime that I made?
turquoise?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I made it with my friend, but we can't. She, I don't remember her YouTube channel, but she films too. She
So you
films.
can only see my shirt. Not my hair. Now, what do you want? What do you want?
I will show you my dog.
It smells so good.
Look at him. Say hi, Sergi. Hi.
How are y'all doing today?
Oh, you smell like meat. This is not sponsored by anything. But remember, if y'all live here in Portales, go to H2O. They have the best drinks.
H2O, hydration station.
It's called H2O. H2O is a short meaning for hydration station.
Listen.
Let's make a bubble.
Okay, I'm gonna make a bubble then.
We have our radio on, so you might hear that. Some music in the background.
I'm making a bubble.
Don't you think this is so?
Oh man.
I can't make bubbles.
I'm gonna try to make bubbles.
I'm adding glitter.
I'm adding some glitter. I farted.
Ew!
It farted.
There's slime?
Yeah.
Or you?
My slime.
People fart. I farted in my saddle.
Don't.
I'm adding more glitter. This time right here was easy to activate, but not easy to get off your hands.
Jiggly slime is hard to get off your hands. Why do you keep on touching
I
mine?
like feeling it. You haven't even felt mine.
I know that.
It feels so nice. It smells good too.
Is someone here? Sounds like someone here. Sounds like someone's knocking on the door. It's probably your dogs.
It's probably the dog chewing bones on the porch.
Look at it. It's a rose. Oh, well, it's kind of messed up now.
It's shaving foam. Oh, it's not shaving cream. It's shaving foam.
Shaving cream is cream.
It actually smells really good.
I know. I'm going to shave tonight.
I got it on her face. My dad.
Give me a shaving
Dad,
cream.
remember? He'd always come out of the bathroom and there would be shaving cream behind his ear, on his chin, on his cheek. He's funny. And it would be on his nose, too. Today the wind blew my slime that I made this morning. It blew right in my face.
Did it actually?
Yeah. I had it like this and I forgot the window was down and the wind blew and it popped right in my face, but at least it didn't get on my hair.
Kind of did, because you have hair on your face.
Okay, let's make some more slime.
Okay.
Okay, that'll be on the next video, okay? So make sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you will get an update of whenever I make a new video. Bye!